Wires down, red alert. Don't go near, you'll get hurt. Get some help, better rush, and do not touch.
Each year, BGE sponsors a contest that helps elementary schools across Central Maryland learn the importance of electric safety through a song. By creating their own video version of BGE's Wires Down commercial, schools can win thousands of dollars for enrichment projects, and one school will win $10,000. This year, your safety video could be the next big winner. The BGE Wires Down Video Challenge. Show us your creativity.
BGE knows what is best. Call on us at our request. Get some help, better rush, and do not touch.
This fall, look out for more chances to win, all while learning about electric safety. Start casting your student actors and visit bgevideochallenge.com for information about when to download this year's entry kit. What's your big idea?